Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and what it does the app privacy report, so the very useful feature on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings. Then you want to, swipe down a little bit and then go to the privacy and security. So just tap on that one with the hand icon. Then you want to swipe down again and go to the app privacy report. So if you click on this one, you are going to get the information what the app privacy report is, and you have the button to turn on. So what it is, the app privacy report shows how often apps, so the application that you have on your iPhone, use the permission you have granted to access your data, like your location or microphone, or your camera, everything which application asks you to grant permission. It also includes a breakdown of each app's network activity and the website's network activity and the most frequently contacted domains. So it is a very useful feature about your privacy, so let's turn this feature on. So I will show you how to turn it up. As you can see, now you have turned it on the app privacy report, and it records data at sensor access, app and website network activity, and the most frequently contacted domains. So the report information will appear here as apps are used. So let's open the application right now. So maybe let's open TikTok, because why not? Maybe I'm going to turn the voice down, show some TikToks right now. Okay, and then maybe let's open the settings again. As you can see, we have everything about the app privacy report. So these apps contacted domains in the past 7 days, and as you can see, we have every domain right here that it has connected. So now maybe let's open Safari, and let's maybe open, let's say, BMW Motorrad web page. So okay, I'm not going to reject it, and let's maybe open the BMW motorcycle web page. It is in Polish because we are in Poland. It doesn't matter, I'm just going to show you that it really works. So as you can see, now we do have the App Store, even the Safari, and as you can see, you can go into what domains it has connected, the every web page. As you can see, we have everything right here. So let's open maybe, for example, Snapchat, because why not? No, I don't want to add any friends. Okay, and now let's see what the Snapchat has contacted. So again, I need to swipe down, go to our privacy report. As you can see, we have 2 domains also right here. Let's maybe open another web page. Maybe let's open the Facebook. This is going to be interesting, I think so. No, I don't want to. Okay, and let's look right here in the Facebook. So the Safari, we have Facebook has contacted 5 more web pages, the domains that had some information, and you have everything right here, the time, the domain, everything that is about the privacy and where your information went, actually. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!